Good day, this is Teacher Rowan. I'll be your guide in exploring Google Apps for education, for teaching and learning. In Google for Education, teachers can connect and collaborate easily while staying on task. It gives teachers the freedom to spend more time personalizing the learning experience and less time managing it. Students can learn essential skills such as 21st century problem solving, which they can use it in their future careers. As such, the accessibility features will also help and assist every learner to do their best work. Google offers different useful applications that we can use to connect education to technology. This will help our teachers as a 21st century educators to innovate and find ways on how to make teaching and learning more exciting, engaging, effective, and flexible to the demands of the society. Let's re-explore the education experience by discovering new angles to create, collaborate, and communicate as one. Para sa bata, para sa bayan, at para sa guro. Ang pagkatuto, huwag gawing komplikado. Sulong edukalidad.
Magandang araw, Sir Wilbur po, at your service. Narito ang ETUlay upang gabayan ka sa inyong pag-aaral upang lubos na maunawaan ang iba't ibang paksa o subject. Ang ETUlay ay isang free online tutorial class na pinangungunahan ng DepEd Educational Technology Unit sa pamumuno ni Undersecretary Elaine Del B. Pascua. Ang programang ito ay hindi lamang para sa mga bata, kundi ito rin ay magsisilbing gabay sa mga magulang at mga guro kung paano nila ituturo o gagabayan sa bawat asignatura ang kanilang mga anak o mga estudyante. Sa kasalukuyan, ang self-learning module mula sa rehiyon ng Calabarzon at kilala sa tawag na Pivot ang ginagamit sa ating ETUlay online class. Kaya ano pang hinihintay ninyo? Ihanda na ang inyong mga ballpen o lapis, papel o kwaderno at samahan kaming itulay ang pagkatuto para sa bawat batang Pilipino. Sama-sama tayong magtutulungan para malampasan ang mga hamon sa panahong ito. Halina't matuto kasama ang inyong online tutor sa oras na ito.
Ayan, good afternoon po sa lahat. Welcome back to our online tutorial session. So again, I am your tutor, Tutor Rose Ann. So live po tayo napapanood sa mga FB DepEd page and DepEd YouTube channel. Shoutout po muna tayo sa mga viewers natin. Kay Jade, Abby, watching from Dasmariñas Integrated High School. Kay Catlea Soriano po. Ayun, from Angadanan, West District, Isabela. Kay Francesca Sigua, Elsa Mortejo, good afternoon din po. Maribeth, from Sampaga High School. Kay Marilyn Casibang, watching from Macau. Ay, good afternoon po sa inyo. Iris Soliven, kay Larisha Lalin, Iris Soliven, and sa lahat po ng mga nanonood. Good afternoon po sa mga grade 7 learners, sa mga magulang, at sa mga kasamahan nating guro. Okay? So ngayon po ay nasa week 7 na tayo ng third quarter. Actually, this is the last week for the third quarter. Kaya naman, ang ating i-discuss ngayon ay for week 7 and for week 8. Ayan. Good afternoon din po, Bernadette Vergara, Ariane Pizarro, Jade Ashley, ayan, from Gapan. Good afternoon po. Okay, so let's have the lesson for week 7, circles. Okay, our objectives for today: define circle and its part, illustrate a circle and the terms related to it, and accuracy in solving the problems involving the parts of the circle. Okay, so what is circle? Define muna natin ang circle. A circle is a set of all points that are the same distance from a fixed point. And that fixed point is called the center of the circle. Okay? So, again, ang circle set ng mga points yan wherein same ang distance nilang lahat, okay, from the center. Okay? Yung center ng circle. At ang circle ay pinapangalan based sa kanyang center. Okay? Carmela Kailing, good afternoon din po. So, watching from SDO Davao City. Okay, so for example, we have here a circle na may center point as O. So this circle, again, is named by its center. Therefore, this circle is called circle O. Okay, so dahil yung kanyang center ay O. Okay. Yes. Jade Abby Reyes, yes, that is center O. Or this one is the circle O. Okay, next, let's have the terms related to a circle. Given this circle with some points, okay? First, the chord, okay? Ano daw yung chord? It is a segment that connects any 2 points of a circle. Okay, so chord daw siya, wherein the endpoints, yung dalawang endpoints niya, lies on the circle. Okay, can you give a chord based on our illustration? Sige nga, paki-comment. Magbigay nga po ng chord dito. So we have the chord A, D. Okay? So A, D. Line segment AD. So, one chord. Yes, Jade Abby Reyes, AD. O, what else? Ano pa? So, sabi HE. Ito, HE daw. The line segment HE, yes, it is a chord. What else? Ano pa? Ayan, si Jonah, si Catlea Soriano. Jonah Magwigad. O, what else? Sabi ni Jade Ashley, GC. So, the line segment GC is a chord. So, we have GC. What else? BJ. Okay. This one. The line segment BJ. What else? CG. Oh, given. What else? BF. So, we have the chord BF. Okay, what else? Meron pa ba? So, we have the AD, BJ, BF. What else? GC, HE. Okay, so parang wala naman na tayong nakaligtaan. So, again, those are the chords from this circle. Again, a line segment that connects any 2 points of a circle. Again, yung endpoints ng segment na to lie on the circle. Okay? Next, let's have a segment drawn from any point on the circle to the center is called the radius. Okay, so from point on the circle to the center of the circle is what we call the radius. So kapag plural, yun ang tawag naman doon ay radii. Okay. So, lahat ng radius, okay, or radii ay congruent. So, ibig sabihin, same ang measurement. Okay, so based on our illustration, can you give a radius here? OI, yes. OI. What else? Meron pa ba? We have, what else? Aside from OI, line segment OI, what else? Meron pa ba? So, we have also the OF. Diba? OF. So, we have OF. What else? Meron pa ba? We also have OB. Ayan. Diba? So, we also have OB. So, ito yung mga radius from this circle. So, we have the OI, OF, and OB. Again, when we say radius, a point on the circle, and then, yung isa naman ay yung center of the circle. Okay, next, diameter. Okay, when we say diameter, it is also a chord. Okay, a chord that passes through the center of a circle, and it is the longest chord of the circle, and it is twice the length of the circle's radius. So again, when we say diameter, chord din siya, pero ito yung chord na nagdadaan, okay? That passes through the center of the circle. Dumadaan siya. Unlike, for example, the chord HE. Ayan. The chord HE, hindi siya nag-pass through the center of the circle. Okay? While diameter, okay, the diameter is the line segment BF, okay? Nag-pass siya sa center of the circle. Okay, so the diameter is, ayan, ang dami nang sumagot pala ng diameter. Yes, the line segment BF. Meron pa ba? Meron pa ba tayong diameter dito? Okay, so wala na. Next, central angle. Ano naman yung tinatawag nating central angle? It is an angle whose vertex is on the circle's center and whose sides intersect the circle at 2 points. Okay, when we say central angle, ang vertex niya ay yung center of the circle. Okay? And then, yung kanyang 2 sides ay radius. Dalawang radius. Okay? So, based on our illustration, can you give central angle? IOF. So, sabi ni Jade Abby, so that is IOF. Yes, ito. Central angle siya kasi ang vertex niya ay the center of the circle and the 2 sides are radius. Okay, yung points lie on the circle. So, we have the angle IOF. Meron pa ba? BOI. Okay, so BOI. So, the angle BOI, wherein the vertex also is the center of the circle. So, we have the angle BOI. Meron pa ba? Any other? Okay, so wala na. Ito yung tinatawag nating central angle. Okay, next. Inscribed angle. So when we say inscribed angle, it is an angle formed by 2 chords in a circle which have a common endpoint. Okay? This common endpoint forms the vertex of the inscribed angle. Okay, so kung kanina sa central angle, ang sides natin ay mga radius, dito naman sa inscribed angle, ang sides ay mga chords. Ayan, chords. Okay, so can you name an inscribed angle? Angle JBF. JBF, yes, angle JBF. Okay? 2 sides niya ay radius. At ang vertex niya also lies on this circle. Ayan. Okay. So, the angle BJF is an inscribed angle. Meron pa? Meron pa ba? Mukhang wala na. Okay. JBT. Do we have T? JB. Siguro, ano yon? Jade Abby, that is F. Yes, ayan. JBF. Okay. Ay, mali pala yung pagkakasulat ko, no? Sorry. The angle, JBF. Okay, let's have this activity. Determine whether each statement is true or false. So, paki-comment lang kung true or false. Okay, two radii always have the same length. Is it true or false? True. Two radii always have the same length. Sige nga, paki-comment. Parehas ba? Lagi bang same length ang mga radii? Or two radii? So, sabi nila Jade Abir, ni Jonah Magwigad, Ray Mangubat, Sophia. Yes. So, your answer is true. Yes. So, lahat ng reduce, lahat ng, or sa plural form is radii, same length sila. Okay? How about this? Two chords always have the same length. How about the two chords? Parehas ba lagi ang kanilang length? Is it true or false? Sige nga, paki-comment po. Two chords always have the same length. So, sabi po nila Jade, Abby, ni Ongay, okay, Sophia, false daw. So, that is false. Yes, hindi lahat ng chords ay parehas ang length. Okay? Kasi sabi natin kanina, di ba, ang diameter, ang pinakamahaba ang length. Okay? All chords are diameter, number 3. Is it true or false? All chords are diameter. Lahat daw ng chords ay diameter. Tama ba yon? Okay, sabi ni Ongay, false. Number 3, false. Alexandra, false. Okay, Catlea Soriano, false. So that is false, okay? Not all chords are diameter. Kasi hindi naman lahat ng chords ay nagpapass through the center of the circle. Yes, Irene, Jamie Ann, Regine, Jessa Joy, yes. Okay, how about number 4? All diameters are chords. Is it true or false? Number 4. All diameters are chords. Lahat daw ba ng diameter ay chord? Number 4, sabi po ni Ongay, true. Mangubat, true. So the answer is yes, true. Lahat ng diameter ay chords. Yun nga lang, kumbaga para siyang special kind of chord kasi siya ay nagpapass through the center of the circle. Okay, so tama sa mga, very good sa mga nagsabi ng true. Okay, next. How about this? As many as you can. On circle O, okay, given this circle O, okay, number 1, name each radius. Sige nga, magbigay tayo ng mga radius dito from the circle O. Comment down. Radius. So, we have B, AO. Sabi, AO. Yes. So, we have AO. Sabi pa ay EO. We have the line segment EO. Okay, what else? BO. Yes, we have the line segment BO. And, what else? Meron pa akong nakikita. Yes, ayun, nakita ko na. Si Catlea, sabi ay OD. Okay, so OD or DO. So, from the center to the point on the circle. So, that is a radius. So, yun yung mga radius natin. And, same length lahat yan. Yung 4 na radius natin, itong 4, ay pare-parehas ang length. Okay? Next, name each diameter. Okay, can you name a diameter from our illustration? Sige nga, patigin ko nga. Let's have the diameter. Again, diameter ay isang chord that passes through the center of the circle. So we have BOD, yes, BOD or simply BD, the line segment BD. What else? EA, ayun. So we have the line segment AE or EA. Meron pa ba? Meron pa po ba? DB, yes, or the line segment BD. Okay, so yan lang yung ating diameter from our illustration. So we have the line segment BD, this one. Okay, nagpass siya sa center of the circle. And then the other one is the line segment AE. Ayan, nagpass din siya sa center of the circle. Okay, next, how about this? Number 3, name each chord. Oh, how about chord? So we have, sige nga, paki-comment, chord. Isa-isahin natin yung chords dito. Okay, so sabi ni Katleya, we have BE. Yes, the line segment BE is a chord. Ito. Okay. What else? AE. Yes, AE. Which is also a diameter. Okay. BE. Yes, BE, AE. Sabi ni Ma'am Bernadette. Okay, BD. So we have BD. And then BC. Okay, meron pa ba? So we have the AE, BD, BE, and BC. Ayan. So given na lahat natin. Okay, meron pa ba? CE. If we connect these 2 points, yes. Sino ba yon? Si Ray Mangubat. Yes po. If we connect these 2 points, yung C and E. Okay? But since hindi siya nakakonect, okay, hindi siya chord. Okay. Next, name each central angle. Okay, central angle. Again, ang central angle, ang vertex niya ay yung center of the circle. And then, yung 2 sides niya ay yung dalawang radius. AOB. So, sabi ni Jade Abby. So, AOB, yes, this one is a central angle. So, angle AOB. What else? AOD. Okay, AOD, ayan, ito. So, we also have the angle AOD. BOE. BOE. Ito, sabi daw, BOE. Ayan. So, we have the angle BOE. What else? AOB. Parang given na. Ano pa? DOE. So, we have the DOE. Ayan. We also have the angle DOE. Meron pa ba? Okay. So again, for central angle, we have the angle AOB. Ito. Okay, ang vertex niya is center of the circle, and then the side are 2 radii. Okay, the angle AOD, ganun din. Ito, ang vertex niya ay yung central or center of the circle. Same as with the angle BOE and angle DOE. Okay. Next. Name each inscribed angle. So, inscribed angle naman. Inscribed angle. Can you name? EOB. DOE. Parang nasa ano pa. CBE. Sabi ni Jade Abby. So, we have the angle CBE, ayan, CBE, as an inscribed angle, okay? Wherein yung vertex niya lies also on this circle. And then yung 2 sides niya ay chords. Okay, so we have the angle CBE. DBE, sabi DBE, yes. So we have the angle DBE. What else? AEB. So we have the A EB. Ang vertex niya naman yung point E. Okay, so we have the angle AEB. Meron pa ba? What else? Meron pa ba tayong hindi nakukuha? We also have the angle DBC. Ito, as a whole. Okay? We have the angle DBC. Ay. Meron pa ba? ACB. ACB. CBD. CBD, yes, or DBC, same. Okay, so mukhang wala na. Okay, so the inscribed angles from the illustration are angle CBE, DBE, angle AEB, and angle DBC. Again, wherein the vertex lie on the circle and the two sides are chords. Okay? Nakasunod po ba? Maliwanag ba tayo dito kay circle? Okay, next. Let's move. Ang bilis natin, di ba? Okay, let's move to our next lesson for the week 8, solving sides and angles of a polygon. Okay, so objectives natin, solve problems involving sides and angles of a polygon. Okay, so let's have 4 triangles. Letter A, problem solving involving sides in triangles. Okay, when we say perimeter of triangle, okay, perimeter of a triangle, the perimeter of any two-dimensional figure is defined as the distance around the figure. We can calculate the perimeter of any closed shape just adding up the length of each of the sides. So when we say perimeter, ina-add lang natin lahat ng measurement or ng measure ng bawat side. Okay? So for the perimeter of a triangle, so we have P is equals to A plus B plus C. Okay, so example, given this triangle. Okay, so given that the perimeter of the triangle ABC is 29 centimeter. Okay, so given na yung perimeter. Okay, line segment AB is 3 centimeter, line segment BC is 14. Okay, find the measure of the line segment AC. Okay, so the perimeter of the triangle ABC is 29 centimeter. Okay. Is equals to, okay, paano natin makukuha si line segment AC? So, given the side of segment AB, which is 3 centimeter, plus the length of the segment BC, which is 14 centimeter, plus the unknown segment AC. Okay, nahanap natin si AC. So we have 29 centimeter is equals to 3 plus 14, that is 17 centimeter, plus the unknown segment AC. Okay, so addition property of equality, or you just simply transpose 17 centimeter to the other side. And when you transpose, always change the sign. So we have 29 centimeter minus, transpose lang natin si 17, that would be negative 17 centimeter, is equals to the line segment AC. So 29 centimeter minus 17 centimeter, ayan, ang daming nang nakasagot. Okay, ang bibilis pala ng mga learners natin. Okay, so that is 12 centimeter. The line segment AC is 12 centimeter. Okay, and if you add this, you will get the perimeter of the triangle ABC, which is 29 centimeter. Okay, next. Letter B. Okay, problem solving involving the angles in triangle. Okay, the sum of the degree measure of the interior angles of a triangle, of course, is 180 degrees. Okay, so 180 degrees. Okay, given this triangle, let us find the measure of the angle C. Okay, this one. Okay, so we have 180 as the sum of the angles of the interior, the sum of interior angles of a triangle, 180, is equals to the measure of angle A, which is 30 degrees, plus the measure of the angle B, which is 25, plus the measure of the angle C, which is still unknown. Okay, so 180 degrees is equals to 30 plus 25, that is 55, plus the measure of the angle C. Okay, so to find the measure of angle C, we just simply transpose 55. Okay, so we have 180 minus 55 degrees is equals to the measure of the angle C. And 180 minus 55, what's the answer? So, Ray Mangubat sabi 125 degrees. Si Regine Alejado, Catlea Soriano. Okay, so that is 125 degrees. Okay, the measure of the angle C is 125. Okay? Nakakasunod pa po ba? Jade Abby Reyes and Jade Abby Hitosis. Sarah Dulay. Okay, so 125. Okay, next. The exterior angle of a triangle. Okay, the measure of the exterior angle of triangle is equal, okay, to the sum of the measure of its two remote interior angles. Ito daw. Okay? So the angle BCE, ito, okay, makukuha natin yan by adding the measure of the two remote angles, yung angle B and angle A. Okay? Okay, let's have this activity. In triangle ABC, the measure of the angle A is 37. The measure of the angle B is 69. Okay, calculate for the measure of the angle C. Sige nga. Hintayin natin sila makasagot. Try natin. Try nyo nga. May scratch paper ba kayo dyan sa tabi? Sige nga. What would be the measure of the angle C? Sige nga. So, the triangle ABC is equals to the measure of the angle A plus the measure of angle B plus the measure of angle C. Okay. So let's have this. Okay. So triangle ABC, of course, that is 180 degrees is equal to the angle A, which is 37. O, sabi nila, may mga sagot na sila. Okay, si Ray Mangubat, 74 degrees. Regine Alejado, si Catlea Soriano, Jade Abby, si Sarah Dulay, 74 degrees. Okay, and Jade Ashley, sabi nyo ay 74 degrees. So, tignan natin kung tama yung inyong mga sagot. Okay, so again, 180 degrees ang triangle ABC. Ang angle A is 37 degrees. Okay, plus the measure of the angle B, which is 69, plus the measure of unknown angle C. So 180 degrees is equals, what is 37 plus 69? That is, what is 37 plus 69? Paano ba natin nakuha si 74? That is, paki-comment nga po. Okay, salamat kay Katlea Soriano, 106. Ray Mangubat, 106. Okay, so 37 plus 69, that is 106, plus measure of the angle C. Again, transpose lang natin. 180 minus 106 degrees is equal to the measure of angle C. Therefore, the measure of the angle C, 180 minus 106, is, yes, 74 degrees. So, tama yung mga sagot ninyo kanina. Okay. Next. About this. The perimeter of the rectangle. Okay. The perimeter of the rectangle given below is 51. Okay. Solve for the measure of the segment AD, given that the measure of AB is equal to the measure of CD, and that is 16 inches. Okay. O, what is the measure of the segment AD? Sige nga, paki-solve nga. Hintayin natin sila. What is the measure of the segment AD? If the measure of AB and CD is 16 inches. Grade 5 lang pala si Jade Ashley. Ayan. Ayan, si Ray Mangubat, sabi 9.5 inches. How about the others? Tignan natin kung ano yung mga sagot ng iba nating kasama. Regine Alejado, 9.5 inch. May iba pa bang sagot? Jade Abby, 9.5. Okay, si Katlea Soriano, 9.5 din. Okay, so tignan natin kung tama yung mga sagot ninyo. Alright, for the perimeter of the rectangle, ano nga ba ang formula for the perimeter of a rectangle? Paano ba yung pagkuha ng perimeter? Sige nga, paki-comment po. Perimeter of a rectangle. Paano kinukuha si perimeter? So, perimeter is equals to what? How did you come up with your answer 9.5? Okay, so for the perimeter, ayun, si Ray Mangubat. That is, P is equals to 2 times L plus width, or length plus width. So for the perimeter of rectangle, very good, Ray Mangubat, thank you po. So we have 2 multiplied by the length plus width. Okay? So we have 2. Ang perimeter natin ay given, which is 51 inches. Okay, is equals to 2 multiplied by the length, which is 16 inches. Okay, plus the width, itong AD, which is unknown. Okay, so ang AD natin and BC, of course, sila ay same length. Okay, so we have 51 is equals to 2 multiplied by 16 plus W. Okay, 51 is equals to 2 times 16. Distribute lang natin si 2. So, 2 times 16, that is 32 plus 2 multiplied by W, that is 2W. Okay, so 51. So, transpose lang natin, ang hinahanap lang natin yung value ni W, transpose lang natin si 32. Okay, so transpose natin si 32, that would be minus 32 or negative 32 is equals to 2W. Okay, and 51 minus 32, that would be 19 is equals to 2W. W. Ang hinahanap lang natin ay value ni W. Meron tayong 2 dito. So, anong gagawin natin? Para ma-cancel or matanggal natin si 2. Anong ginagawa? We have to, what? We have to divide both sides by 2. Ayan. So, cancel na natin. Matitira na lang si W. 19 over 2 or simply 19 divided by 2, that is, yes, 9.5 inches. So, or yung width natin or the segment AD. Segment AD is also equal to the segment BC, and that would be 9.5 inches. Okay? Yes, you have to divide it by 2. Ray Mangubat and Jade Adi. Good afternoon po from 7 Calamba, Kurt Harvey Corpus. Good afternoon din. Okay, so may question ba dito? Malinaw tayo dito? Okay. So yeah, that would be the end of our discussion. Diba? Ang bilis lang natin. So the week 7, we're done with this week 7 and week 8 for the 3rd quarter. And that would be the last lesson for 3rd quarter. Next week, 4th quarter na tayo. Okay, so thank you for your active participation, grade 7 learners. Ganun din sa mga kasamahan nating guro at mga magulang. Okay, so sama-sama po ulit tayo next week, same time. Medyo naaga tayo ng 5 minutes. So, naaga tayo. 1:35, nag-i-start na po tayo. No? Instead of 1:40, nagiging 1:35 na tayo. Okay, so sama-sama po ulit tayo next week, next Friday. Okay, samahan niyo po ulit ako para maging matatalinong learners. Bye!
Sigurado ako na marami ka na namang natutuhan sa ating ETUlay tutorial session ngayong araw. Tandaan, ito ay hindi lamang para sa ating mga mag-aaral, kundi pati rin sa ating mga minamahal na guro at mga magulang na kaagapay natin para maituloy ang pagkatuto sa kabila ng nararanasang pandemya. Patuloy ding sumubaybay sa DepEd TV para sa mga araling ginawang video episodes. Mapapanood ito mula Lunes hanggang Sabado, alas 7 ng umaga hanggang alas 7 ng gabi sa inyong mga telebisyon. Abangan sa Lunes mula 1:00 ng tanghali ang iba pang aralin sa ating ETUlay free online tutorial session sa Science. I-like and subscribe at manatiling nakasubaybay sa ating ETUlay tutorial session sa DepEd Edtech Unit FB page at Educational Technology Unit channel sa YouTube at sa DepEd Tayo at DepEd Philippines social media accounts. Paalam!